BTR is for the past couple of days pumping absolutely like crazy, and you can see from this low to this high, this is a pump around like 331% over net market. In this video, I will show you the exact trading setups that I am planning to take, of course, if certain conditions are met, plus I will show you the exact price that I'm actually expecting this coin is gonna hit. Let's start today on a daily time frame. Here you can see we are having this bearish order block that is between level 0.221 and 0.190. If there will be breakout with a support confirmation based on the technical analysis, this can actually give us a first interest and long opportunity. Stop loss you want to place just under this bearish order block, because if after breakout and then a support confirmation there will be breakdown, we are risking resistance confirmation, which means that price is going on like a lower level, so there is no point of actually holding this losing position longer than it's necessary. Also, another thing that I wanted to say before I will complete this potential trading setup, if you will take a look on this price action, you can see this price action is really strange. So if you will decide to actually take here some trading positions, just use proper risk management and do not risk your high percentage of your trading portfolio. But because this coin can do pretty crazy pumps, I actually don't mind speculating here for even higher returns. So me personally, if I will be taking trade like this, I will be like aiming for $0.5 mark, so potential profit around 123% over net market. By the way, if you want more setups like this, daily market updates, and to follow how we are actually managing our trading positions, don't forget to join our free Discord. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's now get back to this trading setup, because definitely in this trade I am definitely planning to take like multiple take profit targets. First profits I want to take once we are gonna take liquidity above this previous important high, so above the level 0.237, then some profits around 0.26, 0.30, 36444, and then I want to save some back to a last take profit target. The main reason why I am showing you these numbers is that, in my opinion, for example, like 0.4044, these are important psychological resistance, and since this will be like a price discovery phase, which means that historically we don't have here any important supports or resistances, this is exactly why we need to speculate just for psychological resistances to actually take here some profits. So overall, with multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio, if all take profit targets will be hit, the risk reward ratio will decrease to like 5-6, which is in my opinion still really good trading setup. And also keep in mind, after TP1, move your stop loss so you are risking the exact amount you actually made on TP1. Me personally, I think this is the best strategy that you can actually have in the long run. If I'm gonna take a look on a 12-hour chart, you can see we are having here kinda similar trading setup. You can see we are having here like this bearish order block that is between levels 0.204 and 0.183. Here, in case of a breakout support confirmation, this can be another long opportunity. So if you want to take it with more risk and better risk reward ratio, because the stop loss is lower in this case, then your potential profit is gonna be around like 140% and risk reward ratio up to 13, so much better potential trading setup. Just keep in mind, again, after TP1, move your stop loss. Now let's talk about the potential bearish scenario, because as you can see historically, this is really important resistance, and in my opinion we are most likely gonna see something like this, so a liquidity grab without the support confirmation, and then we are gonna go back down. Of course this doesn't have to happen, like of course we can see here like absolutely insane pump, and maybe we will be able to actually take here this trading position, but you can see that like from this high to this low, this was a dump around 86%, and it was just in one day, which is absolutely crazy, like 2 12-hour candles. Then this coin like was in this sideways channel, and then all of a sudden we are having here this absolutely crazy pump. So just from the price action, you can say that this coin is heavily manipulated. And if you are, for example, thinking about buying this coin just because it's pumping, please guys, don't do it. I am definitely not planning to buy this coin to my long-term portfolio, even if we are gonna get back to like these lower levels. I really don't like this price action. I'm doing this video because this coin right now is popular and you guys are actually interested about altcoins like this, but usually I am able to find some potential trading setups that I am planning to take, and also some potential trading areas that I want to use for some spot buying opportunity. That trading setup, I think there is a good potential trading setup if there will be a support confirmation of this and this previous previous important highs, but taking this on spot is, in my opinion, not a good idea. But as I said in the intro, I have my own Discord group where I am sharing everyday potential trading setups that I am watching. You can also get access for completely free how exactly we are managing our trading positions in the private channel. Plus, every morning I am sharing here important market moving events. So if you want to join, a link to join is in the description or in the comments. I promise it's gonna be worth it. And we are sharing here simply a lot of stuff for completely free. But if you want to buy this coin just because it's pumping, guys, please don't do it. This is, in my opinion, not a good idea. If we are take a look on a 4-hour chart, you can see still we don't have here any important bullish order blocks on the way up. You can see just these ones on like these lower levels, so we are not interested in this. And on the 1-hour chart, there is actually a possibility to wait here for like a liquidated grab pullback support confirmation. If something like this is gonna happen and the liquidated grab actually needs to be also under these previous important lows based on the liquidation heat maps, so like we also have here some liquidations. So if the stop loss is gonna be like under these lows, so let's say around 12% of a net market, then your last take profit target can be still on these higher levels, but with like 1-hour chart, I think it's not a good idea to actually speculate for that $0.5 mark. So the risk reward ratio, if you are, for example, gonna speculate for like this previous important high, so potential profit around 35%, I mean, you can take here like one take profit target, the risk reward ratio is gonna be 2.76, but on a risky altcoin like this is, in my opinion, not worth taking. So again, on a 1-hour or like a 4-hour chart, I'm not watching here any potential trading setups. You can see historically, like as I said, the price action is kind of weird. This coin is pumping, then all of a sudden there is like absolutely insane dump. So if you will be taking some trading position, have proper stop loss and do not risk here more than 0.5% of your trading portfolio. And I think even the 0.5% is kind of a lot. And again, to enter here this long position, you want to see at least 2 daily candles to actually close above this area. This is what support confirmation means. So for example, one candle will close, for example, on 0.25, then the second one is gonna retest this bearish order block, and then it will close around like or above 0.222. If this is gonna happen, you can take this long position, stop loss under this bearish order block, last take profit target under $0.5 mark. Definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin and what is, for example, the exact price that you actually think this coin is gonna hit. I think if the alt season will continue, or like the current pump will continue, because this is really low cap, then yeah, we can see here some crazy pumps. But in my opinion, again, it's only a matter of time until we are gonna see something like this. So I think this simply is a manipulation. A lot of people probably inside this project were, in my opinion, accumulating on like these lower levels, and once we are gonna reach like these higher levels, they will probably dump it anyway. So my recommendation is stay out of this. If you want to trade it, wait for a support confirmation of this area, or wait for the dump and accumulate back on like these lower levels. But again, I wouldn't recommend to do that. So guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching. All important things are in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.